mountain peaks to sandy shores, your beauty shines forevermore. The morning sun lights up the sky as coconut palms sway so high. A land of peace, a land of grace, God's blessings rest upon this place. Samoa, Samoa, we sing your praise for your people, culture, and ancient ways. For Samoa lives strong and true, a gift from our ancestors carried through, with faith in God and hearts so kind. A stronger nation we will find. Samoa, Samoa, forever we'll stand, proud of our people and our land. The church bells ring on Sunday morn, a faith-filled nation proudly born. Families gather hand in hand, united across this blessed land. Respect and love guide all we do, the elders' wisdom carries through. Our traditions shine like a golden flame, honoring those who built our name. From Apia town to villages near, the spirit of Samoa is always here, across the oceans far away. Our people carry Samoa every day. Though many travel the world abroad, their hearts remain with home and God.